All right, we're starting another trading session based on chart delays on the broker. Today, by popular request, I'm showing you my level 1. At this level, I provide 5 signals per day, and this is my most basic analysis mode. No extra magic, just the foundation of how I work. The delay for each signal here ranges from about 20 to 30 seconds, and I use only one quote provider as a source of information. This is my entry-level mode, but even here you can already understand how I read the market. Let's see what level 1 can do in a live session. I'll be trading on the stock market and all positions will be opened with a 1-minute expiration, because on this market, that's the minimum available setting. The account balance is $150, and each position will be open with $50. So, let's begin. I'm preparing to search for a signal, analyzing the market and waiting for the first delay. Perfect. The first delay is here. Currency pair found. Delay time is 29 seconds, and I'm opening a 1-minute trade. The market is highly volatile right now, and honestly, this wasn't the most perfect entry. The candle printed an unpredictable impulse, and ideally the entry should have happened closer to the candle's completion. Most likely this position will close in loss, but let's not be dramatic too early. We watch the result. The first trade closed in loss. Yes, the timing of the entry was off here. This is level 1, and at this stage I don't yet have the latency edge functions advantage that becomes available on the higher levels. That means entry precision can be slightly limited, but that's fine. This level is meant to show the raw mechanics, not perfection. And, as I said, level 1 operates around 60% profitability. As you can see, the move still went downward afterward. So the signal itself was correct. The timing simply wasn't ideal. That happens. I keep going and start searching for the next delay on the chart. Perfect. There's a new entry point. This trade will open to the upside. Delay time is 29 seconds, which is close to the maximum value for level 1. And that, by the way, was the key factor in the previous trade as well, because as you saw on the previous asset, the movement still eventually went in the expected direction. If that delay had been more precise, something like 50 or 60 seconds, the position would have easily closed in profit. Those types of signals are available on higher levels, but even here, there's still potential. So now we simply watch how the second signal performs. The second signal also closes in loss. We continue trading. There's still another chance. I continue analyzing the market and wait for the third signal. The third signal is here. Entry point found. Currency pair selected. I open a downward trade. Let's watch the result of the third entry. The third entry closes in profit. Excellent. This one performed much more confidently. We continue trading. The next position will be open with my maximum account balance, and I keep scanning for the next setup, starting the next market analysis now. There's a new delay. I open a downward trade, opening the position, maximum account amount, effectively all in on this signal. Delay time is 24 seconds. Expiration time is 1 minute. Let's watch the outcome. The fourth signal performs confidently and closes in profit. The next trade will also be opened with the maximum account balance. Market analysis continues, and I'm already ready to search for the next delay, waiting for the final signal. Perfect. There's a new entry point. This trade opens to the upside. I open the position again with the maximum account amount, and now we watch the result of the fifth entry. The position closes at break even. We didn't lose, but we didn't lock in profit either. The signal limit for today has been reached, and level 1, as promised, showed itself honestly, without exaggeration. A quick note from me. In the next session, I'll probably add a few more signals so situations like this happen less often, but as you can see, the signal itself was still correct. The market did move upward exactly the way I expected it to. That's all for now. I'll record another trading session soon. This was my level 1, basic, but already precise enough to see what the market tries to hide. Today, you saw everything honestly, both the limitations and the potential. And if even my starting level can do this, imagine what the higher levels are capable of. See you in the next session.